The Huawei P50 Pocket is a truly versatile device, blending a beautiful, foldable, next-generation smartphone with incredible features and a head-turning design. It's designed to be your daily companion with an air of sophistication and class that no other smartphone can bring. To make the P50 Pocket really stand out, Huawei joined forces with a prominent haute couture designer, Iris van Herpen, to create the Huawei P50 Pocket Premium Edition. The back of the device features an advanced 3D microsculpture design that's meant to mimic the shadows and texture of the Earth. The multi-dimension zero-gap hinge, reinforced with innovative materials, folds to fit seamlessly and unfolds without any sign of creasing, instantly transforming from pocket size to top-of-the-line full-screen smartphone. When unfolded, a 21:9 ratio screen provides immersive visual experiences with a 120Hz refresh rate for the smoothest user experience when scrolling and navigating through apps. The P3 wide-range gamut offers over 1 billion colors for authentic tones, while the nano-optical layer helps to eliminate reflection and glare. The Huawei P50 Pocket fully supports the cutting-edge camera technology seen in the Huawei P50 Pro, including the True Chroma image engine and Huawei XD optics. One of the main features is being able to take a selfie with the rear camera. It uses algorithms and the larger camera sensor to boost low-light performance, allowing users to take superior, more atmospheric selfies. The Huawei P50 Pocket's ultra-spectrum camera combines powerful hardware and software, as well as the tweaking of over 2,000 colors across the full P3 color gamut to let users accurately capture what they see. Another innovation on the Huawei P50 Pocket is its cover screen. When the phone is closed, the cover screen can be used to display notifications, calendar appointments, music control, directions, weather, and other features. A range of vibrant themes are available, so users can customize their cover screen interaction experience to suit their mood. Content and services seamlessly flow between both screens, and users can even access the camera from the cover screen. Privacy is always an important point, and the Huawei P50 Pocket goes one step further. Simply enable Super Privacy Mode to turn off your mic, camera, or GPS when the Huawei P50 Pocket is folded. You can also use a face scan unlock and side fingerprint unlock to get into your Huawei P50 Pocket much faster, no matter if it's open or folded. Whatever time of day it is, the 4000 mAh battery featuring 40-watt Huawei Supercharge lets you get through your day while performing all kinds of actions. For all the latest apps, the trusted, innovative, and secure app gallery is available on the Huawei P50 Pocket, where users can download a wide range of high-quality apps. The Huawei P50 Pocket in white will be available at a price of 5,099 dirhams, and the Huawei P50 Pocket Premium Edition will be priced at 6,299 dirhams. Pre-orders start on February 3rd with gifts worth 1,959 dirhams, including a Huawei Watch 3, Petal One free subscription package, 1-year warranty, and other VIP services such as door-to-door service and one-time laser engraving.